Do the Kevin Nash today. Just do, there we go. This, no, let's not do that. Here we go. There we go. Welcome back, I'm Ron the Cook, and today we're doing another Tasting Tuesdays, and today we are tasting rum. But not just any rum. We're gonna be tasting the Rhum Barbancourt 4-year 3-star. One of my favorite cocktail rums on the market. Let's start with a little bit of history. Now, Rhum Barbancourt was founded in 1862 by Dupré Barbancourt, who was born and raised in the Cognac region of France. And after moving to Haiti, he started producing rum like you would a cognac, double distilling it. So Rhum Barbancourt 4-year, also known as the Rhum Barbancourt 3-star, is a Haitian rum made in the agricole style, made from 100% fresh sugarcane juice. And this rum is aged for 4 years in oak casks, giving it a very distinct aroma and flavor. And that method is still used today, ensuring for the highest quality product possible from Rhum Barbancourt. Despite challenges over the decades, including the devastating earthquake in 2010, Rhum Barbancourt is still thriving today, making some of the world's finest Haitian rum. Now, Rhum Barbancourt is also spelled R-H-U-M, which is the French way of saying rum, but also in more modern times, it refers to a specific style of rum, which is the French style of rum. You often see the spelling of rum with agricole styles of rum. Good cork. The Rhum Barbancourt bottle is incredibly simple, which I love about it. It looks like a working man / woman's rum. It has all of its awards stamped right on the front in bronze. Simple, elegant bottle. The woman holding a sugarcane scepter is the goddess of agriculture, benevolent and authentic. She is a protective figure for the company. With a light and confident step, she watches over sugarcane fields. It is said that she has the power to fertilize the soil. Look at that beautiful color. It has this beautiful, lightly aged color, just a little bit of caramel in there, not too much. It's only a 4-year, so it's not gonna get a lot of color from those barrels. But still, it has this beautiful light golden shimmer to it. Let's go in for the nose. Oh, God, I love that smell. If you've never had Rhum Barbancourt, you just don't understand how amazing this scent is. Right off the bat, you're getting lots of grassy notes, which is typical of a rum agricole. You get a little bit of that ethanol, not too much, just a little bit in there. Some caramel. Since it is done with the fresh sugarcane, you're getting a little bit of that funk, that little bit of a yeastiness to it. And also you do get some like fresh citrus smell, almost like a rotten lime. Now for the first taste. It's a very complex rum. You get some of the darker notes in there, but then you also get some of the almost like light rum flavors because it's only aged for 4 years and is an agricole. It starts very spicy, then fades real quick. The spice goes away, but then you get all of that brown sugar flavor to it. You don't get the molasses flavor of this one. You just get that beautiful dark brown sugar flavor. Let's go in for a second taste. Now we're getting some of those baking spices, but not a distinct one. Like some you'll get heavy amounts of allspice or nutmeg. And this just feels like a kind of a general fall baking spice flavor to it. Getting a little bit of the kind of rotten tropical fruit in there. I'm just going for a third taste. The flavor is developing more in the glass. Like I said before, when you're tasting alcohols, what you've been drinking, it starts off one way and it'll end a different way because all of the evaporation that's happening on the glass, you're getting these different smells, different flavors as you drink it. Toasted almond, but almost like an almond biscotti, almost like a baked almond type of flavor. Now I'm getting less sweet and getting more of those earthy flavors. Poured a little heavy today, so let's go in for one last little sip. Oh God, yeah. That final sip I got. The scent now is way more of that brown sugar smell. Even though it's made from 100% sugarcane juice, you're still getting kind of that caramely brown sugar flavor, which is probably a mixture of the sugarcane mixing with the oak barrels. Then after that, you're getting much more of the grassy notes, and it's not as sweet actually on the palate for finishing. You would think it gets sweeter, but it's actually kind of doing the opposite. It's becoming a little dry at the end, which is really nice. So you're getting more of the earthy, grassy, undertones that this rum really has. The best part is it does have a long finish, so it's still sitting on my palate. And it has this, how do I say it? How was it described to me once? It has the hogo, which is like this kind of pungent, funky flavor to it. In a good way, it has this kind of like, you're left with this beautiful, the rotten sugarcane has a very distinct scent and flavor. It really hits you and it stays with you. So it's just sitting on your palate like for a long time with that grassy hogo. It is absolutely divine. It's one of my favorite rums. If you can take the time to find some, you must get yourself some if you're a rum drinker. It makes some of the best rum cocktails you will ever have. So Rhum Barbancourt 4-year or Rhum Barbancourt 3-star. Depending where you're at, they'll be labeled slightly different. But this comes in at about 25 bucks for a 750. That's insane. For the level, the quality of this bottle for $25, holy shit. There's a link down below. You can get it from Total Wine and More, or you can get it direct from Rhum Barbancourt. It comes in at A6 proof or 43% if you're in the rest of the known world. Final thoughts. I think you know what my final thoughts are after watching this video. It's absolutely delicious. It is a perfect cocktail rum. It's great to sip, obviously. It's something you should definitely have in your collection if one of two things. One, are you a rum connoisseur? Are you a rum drinker? Buy yourself some Rhum Barbancourt. If you are an entertainer at your home, you like making cocktails, this is one of the best cocktail rums on the market you can possibly get. It's 25 bucks. You cannot beat the flavor profile on this rum for that price anywhere else. You want to check out the rest of my Tasting Tuesday videos? Click right there. And if you want to check out some of my Sunday side dishes, click on up there. Until next time, I'm Ron the Cook.